Got this holiday look going, so stay tuned, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this look, so stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave some comments below. Let me know how you like this look. You looking at me? You looking at me? Alright, enough of being silly. So let me see what I got going on here. Grab my Eco Styler gel with coconut oil, my favorite, and that's all that's left, but I probably won't use a lot. So then I just go through my hair finding all the dry frizzy spots, and I spray that with water. Wait, let me adjust the camera really quick. Alright, that's better. Okay, so I spray it with water, and then I just first I rake through with my fingers, and then with the dimming brush, and use a little bit of gel and rake through with the fingers. Keep doing that. Ooh, let's get to the sideburns. Leave some comments below. Whenever I have an updo, I always tend to have my sideburns dangling on the side to frame my face. I really like that look. So anyway, just keep going through, finding all the dry spots, pulling and detangling with your fingers first, and then with the brush, so you don't pull too much hair out. I mean, hair falls out every day, guys, so regardless of what you do, your hair is gonna fall out, but just be careful when you're detangling. You will see me using a lot of water in my hair. My hair soaks up water like a sponge, and I don't mind going out with my hair wet and having it dry, especially when it's short like that. It doesn't take as long to dry as if it was, longer. So I don't know how long I'll be able to run out with my hair wet like this, because I do have a lot of hair too, but for now, this is my process. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Because my hair is very wet at the ends, you see the white color of the gel, but it does dry clear. There's no like cakey white stuff once it's dry. You could just see that once it's wet, and because the camera and the lights are so bright, but it did dry very nicely. So just going through now and doing the final touches. Touch up here and there, and that's pretty much it. So what do you guys think? It's popping. Look at those curls. Wow. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, it doesn't dry looking white like that. Just let me know if you like this look, and comment below. Also comment on this fabulous updo. I actually used a headband and I turned it backwards, so if you guys are wondering, that's what that is. Yeah, it's just a headband turned backwards. I don't have any of those cute scarves to just tie it up, so I just used my headband and got this holiday look going. So stay tuned, keep watching. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe.